To what do you attribute the growth of Tampa Laundry Company? Because you're not a very old company. You started just in 2015, and the growth has been phenomenal. So, what do you attribute that to?
Hands down, it's our team. It's our team that every single day provides the most amazing customer service. We actually don't spend a ton of money on marketing. So much of it is word of mouth. We have just a top-notch team, whether it be folks that get stains out of clothing or folks that deal with you if unfortunately, if there was some sort of a mistake. We always strive to get better. And I just think when you put the customer at the center of that experience and never forget that they are your most important marketing tool, you really can't go wrong. So our growth has really come at the behest of our team, just really killing it every day for our customers and making sure that they're pleased and that they keep coming back and that they keep telling others.